Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we uncover some of the most ingenious gadgets and tools on the market. I'm your host, and today, we've got something that every DIY enthusiast and tech-savvy person will appreciate: the SHOWPIN Precision Screwdriver Set. With a whopping 126 pieces, this toolkit is a game-changer for anyone looking to tackle electronic repairs, upgrades, and more. Let's dive right into it. But before we delve into the details, let's unbox this SHOWPIN Precision Screwdriver Set and see what's inside. As we open it up, you'll be greeted by a treasure trove of tools. There are 98 screwdriver bits, 3 special Torx TR screwdriver bits, and 21 additional tools. It's like having a professional repair shop right in your hands. Now, let's talk about the impressive functions of this set. With 122 in 1 precision screwdriver set, you can tackle a wide range of tasks. It's not just for smartphones and laptops. You can use it to repair game consoles, drones, cameras, and so much more. Upgrading your computer or changing your gadget's battery becomes a breeze with this toolkit. The SHOWPIN screwdriver set is designed to maximize your repairability. The handle is ergonomically designed with a non-slip surface for a comfortable grip, allowing you to exert force and rotate smoothly. The 4.56-inch alloy steel extension rod is incredibly sturdy, perfect for those tight spots. And let's not forget the 5.11-inch flexible shaft, which can bend 180 degrees and rotate 360 degrees, making complex disassembly a piece of cake. Quality is paramount with this set. The screwdriver bits are made from crossing V steel, heat-treated to achieve a hardness level of 60 HRC. That means they're durable and built to last, even with frequent use. Plus, there are spare bits for frequently used models, so you won't be left searching for a replacement if one gets lost or damaged. Keeping your tools organized is a breeze with the included shockproof plastic storage box. Each screwdriver bit has its dedicated slot, making it easy to find and store. And there's more. The kit comes with a magnetizer to enhance the magnetic properties of the screwdriver bits, a magnetic pad to prevent screw loss, and a cleaning brush to keep things tidy. SHOWPIN stands behind its product with confidence. This screwdriver repair kit comes with a 90-day refund policy and a lifetime warranty. If you have any questions or run into any issues, their customer service is top-notch and ready to assist you within 24 hours. So, there you have it, folks. The SHOWPIN Precision Screwdriver Set, a comprehensive toolkit designed to make your electronic repairs and upgrades a breeze. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a DIY enthusiast, this set is a must-have. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more fantastic product reviews. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, keep those gadgets running smoothly.